So I was working in this area here where I'm planting some vegetables and stuff. So I was actually at that time I was weeding, and my hoe has a longer handle than usual. So what happened is that I didn't notice that while I was weeding, my hoe touched the tree. It's apricot tree behind, not this one, the one behind this. So my hoe touched it, and there's a wasp's nest on it. It's particularly yellow pepper wasps, and 3 of them stung me right here at the back of my head, above the neck. I've heard about it, but at that point I couldn't really remember what exactly is that I've heard about that one should rub and that eases away the pain. Well, actually, it was surprising. It took away the pain. There was no pain at all. Because I work here a lot and working with my hatchet. And I had hatchet next to me. So what I did, I started rubbing hatchet on whole of this area. And I kept rubbing that. There was no swelling. There was no pain. And nobody could tell that I got stung by wasps. So it was amazing. I thought, for anybody out there who doesn't know it and who's working out in the field in an environment like this where there is a possibility that one can get stung by things like that, I should share, and maybe it's going to help somebody. So for now, that's about it. And, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.